Hello,
Hello, teacher.
my name is Yan. What's your name?
My name is Amy.
Okay, Ami. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
How are you today?
I'm good.
What day is today?
It's Thursday.
Very good. Let's go to the second part of your speaking test. Let me remove this first, okay? Okay, so this is in the classroom. It's a board. Now, Ami, where is the desk?
It's here.
Good. Where is the cupboard?
It's here.
Correct. Where is the chair?
It's here.
Okay, very good. So let's go to the third part. Please look at these pictures. Emmy, which is the pencil?
It's here.
Okay, very good. I'm putting the pencil on the board. Now, please put the pencil
Put the pencil
on the desk. Please put the pencil on the desk. Okay, very good. Which is the bin?
It's here.
Yes, it is. Now put the bin under the desk. Very good. Which is the book?
It's here.
Put the book on the cupboard, please. Okay, very good. That's it. Now let's move to the fourth part. Okay, Ami, what is this?
It's a crayon.
It's a crayon. What color is it?
Its color is red.
Can you spell crayon?
C-R-A-Y-O-N. Crayon.
Great. Now what's this?
It's a computer.
What color is it?
It's blue and black.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I do.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Great job.